So today we're going to talk about the chronic disease presumption. Let's talk about how this presumption works. So first of all, you need one of the chronic diseases listed under 38 CFR 3.309 parentheses alpha. No other conditions count for this presumption except the conditions on this list. Let me give you an example of how my firm used the chronic disease presumption to win a client's case. So this client was diagnosed with bipolar disorder. Remember, I discussed in the beginning of the video that psychosis is on the list of chronic conditions, and psychosis has been interpreted to mean a category of conditions, and bipolar is one of those conditions. So he met step one. He had the chronic condition. He was never treated for bipolar in service. He didn't have any symptoms for bipolar in service. He wasn't diagnosed within 1 year service, but he did begin experiencing symptoms within 1 year of leaving active duty. So he would stay up for days at a time. His sister wrote us a statement saying he would have multiple computers doing multiple things at once. He'd be up for days, and then he would crash and sleep for days at a time. So we took her statement. We took a statement from him about his symptoms. We gave those statements to a private medical doctor at the time, although you don't have to do that part. You could ask the VA C&P examiners to do it, but eventually you might need an independent medical opinion. So we took those symptoms, gave it to our private examiner, who wrote an opinion that, yes, it's as likely as not that these symptoms described by his sister and described by the veteran were bipolar disorder, and that it had manifested within 1 year of service. He met the qualifications for at least a 10% rating. In fact, we were able to give him a 100% rating right off the bat using the chronic disease presumption. And that does it, guys. If you need help with your VA claim, if you need help with the chronic disease presumption, contact me at vetlawoffice.com. Again, it's a free consultation, and there's no fee unless we win. Keep liking, keep sharing, keep subscribing, and as always, you have the power to win your VA claim.